Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a heart shirt. To begin, I'm just going to smooth out some wrinkles on my shirt and fold it in half so that I can find the middle of the front and the middle of the back. To do that, I'm taking a washable marker and putting a mark at the top up by the neck of my shirt and at the bottom. And I'm going to do that both on the front side and the back side. For this shirt, I'm going to take the middle of the front of my shirt and the middle of the back of my shirt and put those together. So if you'll see, I'm grabbing the two marks on the front of the shirt that I'm making and just kind of isolating the front of the shirt. I'm tucking my sleeves inside of one another and lining those up. Then I'm grabbing the two marks that I made on the back of my shirt and putting those together with the front of my shirt. I hope that makes sense. Basically taking the back of my shirt and the front of my shirt and putting them together. Now because the back of the shirt is going to be longer, I'm lining up the bottom of my shirt. Now I'm taking my heart stencil that I've made out of a plastic cutting board and I'm just going to trace around that. You can make your heart any size that you'd like. From here, I'm just going to fan fold my shirt. I usually like to start at the top of my heart and work my way down to the bottom. I find that it's easier to make that turn in that heart if you'll do it at the beginning before you have a whole bunch of fabric you're trying to hold together. Once I get my heart fan folded, I'm going to straighten up the folds a little bit and I'm going to tie it up with some sinew. The rest of my shirt, I'm just going to continue to fan fold and I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. So for this shirt, I'm going to try to make it a little bit more pastel. So I've taken some Dharma Grape and some Dharma Hot Pink and Custom Colors Turquoise, and I've diluted those down. I took probably 1/4 cup of dye and diluted it down to 1 cup. I'm starting with the turquoise and making my heart turquoise and using hot pink on the outside of the turquoise. Then I'm just going to stripe the shirt all the way down, putting hot pink in between the turquoise and the grape. I'm going to continue this pattern all the way to the bottom of the shirt. I'm making sure that I saturate the colors really well. I want them to just barely start coming through on the other side, but not to come all the way through. Once I'm finished, I'm going to turn my shirt over, and on the other side I'm going to put a little bit of hot pink right up next to the turquoise heart. But then I'm going to take Power Berry, which is a Dharma color, and put that all along the back of the shirt. I'm not oversaturating, but I am covering all the white areas with Power Berry. And then I'll flip my shirt over and let it process with the pastel side up. Alright, this is what our shirt ended up looking like. If you guys are enjoying my videos, please hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.